Students, so it's a small video. Here I will be discussing about the harbor and the port. Okay, and sometimes we use this term as synonyms. Okay, but there is a slight difference between the harbor and the port. Now both are the enclosed area in the sea. Okay, both are the enclosed area in the sea, but the difference is, that is what we are going to see now. In case if the land, if you see here in this diagram, is the land, the coastal area, if it is a straight land, then the development of harbor and the port will not be there in those areas. But in case if the land, the coastal area, if it is present in an intended manner or in a broken manner, so the development or the formation of creeks, okay, or stories or fjords, and those all kinds of things will form in the coastal regions. So the thing is that those areas can be, or the small inlets which is going further into the sea. Okay, so those kinds of areas, if you see, it is an enclosed area, isn't it, a part of the sea, and it is surrounded by the lands, okay, on three sides. And it also provides, the sea water entering little further into the land. So those kinds of area, if it is present, then this can be used as a shelter beds for the sailing ships. So we call those kinds of area as the harbor, which gives shelter or the protection to the ships. Now the thing is that the same harbor, if it is used for other purposes, okay, for little extended, if it is purpose, instead of only giving to the shelter to the ships, if it is extended little further, like development of oceanic routes from that place, okay, import and export, okay, as well as if storage facilities are also given, okay, with that it will lead to the development of other industries also. So the laborers will also their workplace, so it will act also a habitat to the people in that area. So it will lead to the growth of small town and cities in those regions. So those kind of area which is used not only for the sheltering or for docking the ships, but also used for some other multi purposes, then we call it as port. Okay, so it can be of two ways. One is your natural harbor, and another one is the artificial harbor. Natural harbor, if the broken coastal line, if it is broken, and those creeks and all, if it is present, then we call it as natural harbor. Now in case if the coastal areas are not broken, if it is straight, then we have to construct artificially or man-made. So those kinds of harbor, we call it as artificial harbor, and it is constructed by the dredging and erecting a wall in the coastal areas. Okay, so that's the difference between the harbor and the port. Thank you.